Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're doing a cheesy tuna noodle casserole. The whole family will love it. Flakes of tuna, a creamy sauce, and plenty of cheese. Make it a casserole that's hard to resist. We'll start by cooking egg noodles in simmering, well-salted water until tender but still have just a little bit of a bite. Drain the pasta well and rinse with cool water if not using immediately. While the noodles are cooking, we'll make the creamy sauce. Melt butter in a large pot. Add flour and whisk to combine, cooking briefly over low heat. Gradually add hot milk, whisking as you go. Cooking over medium heat and allowing to come to a full simmer. Adding the milk hot is less of a shock to the flour and therefore fewer lumps. Next, you'll add 1 tin of cream of mushroom soup. My favorite to use is Campbell's. Add salt, pepper, and whisk to combine. And to the sauce we'll add canned tuna that has been broken up a little bit before adding it. Frozen peas, and give that a stir. Add in the well-drained pasta, and a good dose of cheddar cheese. Stir to combine and pour into a lightly greased casserole dish. And top with more grated cheese. And we want to give our casserole just a little bit of a crunch. So to melted butter, we're going to add panko breadcrumbs, dried parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Toss with a fork and sprinkle evenly on the casserole. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 minutes until hot, bubbling, and golden on the top. And as always, you will find the recipe and/or the link to the recipe in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.